Alright, so I make a ramen noodle in the bag. No microwave necessary. I'm just gonna break the noodles up. Break the noodles. Hit the water. The water is hot. Take the sodium packet out of the bag, obviously, because you don't want to get the sodium packet wet. Then all you gotta do is put the water in the bag. Fill up the bag with the water. There you go. Set it down in the sink. Wait 5 minutes. It'll be ready. You can add extra ingredients if you want. See what we got here. And throw the noodles right in there. I'll show you the end result maybe later in the picture. Just dump this in the bag. Dump this in the bag. Dump this in the bag. Dump the noodle in the bag. Shake it up.